How to see who shared your reels on Instagram. What is up, everybody? Today I'm going to show you guys how you can easily find out who has shared your reel on Instagram. So the first thing you do is open up your Instagram application. Once you open it up, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. And once you land on your profile page, you should be able to get to your posts and tap on the reel where you want to see who has shared it. So just tap on it. And if someone has shared your reel, you'll find the number of shares right here on the reels. As you can see, there are no shares on this reel. So if someone has sent this in their chat or shared this in your story, it will be viewed right here, something like this. As you can see, this has 3 shares. So what happens is if someone adds your reel to their story, you will be notified about it. So tap on the notifications icon at the top right. Now you'll see your stories about you and your mentions. So you just tap on it. And as you can see here, this person has shared my reel to their story. So if I go and tap on next, I'm able to see that this also was shared to the story. So that's how you will know the profile that has shared your reels. So you can just go ahead and tap on their profile to view their profile and view their story as well. That is pretty much it, guys. That's how you basically know. But if someone has shared this on their DMs, you won't be able to see it. But if someone has publicly shared this on their story, only then you'll be able to see who has shared it. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you. I'll catch you on the next one.